So a stock analyst wondered whether the mean rate of return of financial, energy, and utility stocks differed over the past 5 years. He obtained a simple random sample of 8 companies from each of the 3 sectors and obtained the 5-year rate of return shown in the accompanying table in percent. Complete parts A through D below. So let's state the null and alternative hypothesis. So remember, the null is that they're all equal, and the alternative is that at least one of them is different. Or they aren't all equal, which is the same thing, and they have A. So there's a couple different ways to interpret that, right? So let's click on the data table. We don't have to do this because they tell us, but let's go ahead and run through it. You're getting this for free. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up in StatCrunch. And let me go ahead and run the ANOVA, and that'll give me the chance to stat ANOVA one way. Just select them all, and then down here, QQ plot of residuals with correlation. So compute. And we're not going to look at this quite yet. Let's go ahead and just look at, there we go. So there is our QQ plot of the residuals. And we got a 0.985. And this is straight enough, so it does indicate that it is. They didn't give us in this particular problem, like they did in the last one, the table. But that value is, that's pretty high, and it looks pretty straight too. So let's look at, so I went ahead and did box plots real quick. So the variances also appear to be pretty much the same. Nothing strikingly different there. So yes, because let's see, I've got 2 yeses here. They appear to be the same, except down here, different variances, same variances. So they're normally distributed and have the same variances. Those conditions have to be met. Use technology to find the F statistic. And we've kind of already done that, right? We go ahead and run the ANOVA, and there's my F statistic right there. 2.07, because it says around the 2 places. So now I'm going to find the p-value. P-value point, I'm going to say 0.152, round to 3 places, so 0.152. So that's a pretty big p-value, particularly we're comparing it to 0.05, so that's not enough evidence, right? There is not enough evidence to reject HO, thus we cannot conclude the mean rates of return are different at the 0.05 level of significance. Okay, we've already seen the box plot. I did that for you in StatCrunch. So draw the box plots of the 3 sectors to support that. And again, let me redo that. So graph, box plot. Select all of them. Use fences, draw horizontally just to match it up with what they did. And then let's move this up a little bit so we can see all of them. And if we look at this, looks like A is the only one that matches that up, right? So we have utilities and the energy and financial, how it kind of moves that way. The other 2 don't match up, so it has to be A. So I hope that helps.